In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy an app on Replit. By the end, you'll have a shareable live link to your project and you'll understand exactly what's happening along the way. First, open your REPL in Replit. Make sure the project you want to deploy runs correctly in the editor. If you're building a static site, you should have files like index.html, styles, and images loading as expected. If you're running a server with something like Flask or Express, confirm it starts without errors and serves your main route. This quick check saves time later. Next, look for the Publish option. Depending on your layout, you'll see Publish in the top right or in the sidebar. Click it to open the deployment panel. This is where you decide how your project will run in production. You'll be asked to choose your deployment type. If your project is a simple HTML, CSS, and client-side JavaScript site, choose Static Site. Replit will serve your files directly, which is fast and straightforward. If your project has a backend, like Flask for Python, Express for Node, or any API, choose Web Server. This is the most common choice for apps that need routing, server-side logic, or an API endpoint. A quick tip: for web server apps, make sure your server listens on the port provided by Replit and binds to all interfaces. That ensures your app responds correctly when deployed. Once you've picked the right option, click Publish App. Replit will begin building your deployment. Behind the scenes, it installs dependencies, bundles your code, and prepares the environment. You'll see logs or status messages as it works. Use this time to watch for any errors, missing packages, typos in your start command, or build issues. If something fails, fix it in the editor and publish again. Also, be sure you haven't hard-coded any sensitive information in your code. Keep secrets out of your repo. Now, wait for the build to finish. Build times vary based on your project size and dependencies. When it's done, you'll see a success message indicating your app is live. Finally, copy your live link. This is your app's public URL. Share it with your audience, test it on your phone, and bookmark it for quick access. Remember, your deployment is separate from the editor's preview. If you make code changes later, you'll republish to push the updates to your live link. That's it. Open your repo, click Publish, choose the right deployment type, publish, wait for the build, and copy your live link. You're deployed on Replit.